Now, when it comes to Luna Terra, things could absolutely begin heating up here pretty soon in a good way. And then I imagine that we could see Luna Terra fall off a cliff shortly after. So I do want to talk about this because a lot of people are gearing up to trade the potential volatility on May 27th. So in this video, I want to talk about just how high it could go and just how low it could go right afterwards. Whether or not you guys are planning on trading the volatility or whether or not you guys are planning on holding the new Terra Luna that is going to be out there, Luna 2, Terra 2, whatever they want to call it, it doesn't matter. If you want to hold the new coin, you're going to need to know what to do. And look, there's a lot of money to be made and lost this week when it comes to Terra Luna. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, got a link in the description for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. 6 free stocks right now while they're doing their promo, and then $1 in crypto trading, get you $5 in free crypto. And then if you guys do want to buy Terra Luna, it is not too late, okay? You cannot transfer it off platform, but Voyager allows you to buy and sell right now. So if you were gearing up to trade the volatility potentially on the 27th of May, it could be an excellent platform to do so. You're going to get $25 in free Bitcoin for signing up, and zero risk exposure if you just use that $25 and get into Terra Luna at that point. But why are we making such a big deal about the 27th of May? So May 27th is when the post-attack snapshot is going to take place. I believe it is happening at 1 a.m. Eastern time on May 27th. You know, that could change at this point in the game, but I believe that's the time that's slated right now. And what are we expecting? So this could go out plenty of different ways, but let's talk about two different types of traders or investors in Terra Luna at the moment. So if you were wanting to hold the new Luna Crypto, you either need to have held Terra Luna on May 7th and be a part of the pre-attack snapshot, or you need to hold Terra Luna on May 27th and be a part of the post-Terra Luna attack snapshot. I think that's what they're calling it right now. So if you didn't hold on May 7th, you need to hold on May 27th. So if you want to get that new airdrop, that is the easiest way to do so is to go out there and buy that. If you are wanting to have it for sure, you may need to hold your coins on a decentralized exchange. Otherwise, it's going to be very tricky if the centralized exchange that you are on does not accommodate the new Terra Luna project, and they don't, they don't add that new Luna Crypto to their portfolio of assets. It may get a little muddy and a little messy, and I wouldn't expect every exchange to list the new Terra Luna. You know, I don't have a huge confidence in Do Kwon and his friends. That's his friends. I don't have a huge confidence in Do Kwon and his friends. If the exchanges do, great. They will likely add the new Terra Luna. If they don't, they may scrap the project altogether and only allow you to sell it on the centralized exchange. They may limit buying and selling and so on. But so there's your pros and cons of holding on a centralized versus decentralized exchange. If you guys want to hold the new Luna Crypto, you may be better off getting it decentralized. But let's talk about trading, because that's what everybody is gearing up for this week, is potentially trading massive volatility on the 27th. Now, this can go a couple of different ways. A lot of people are wondering if it's going to spike up, if Terra Luna is going to spike up in value and then spike right back down to where it was. A lot of people are wondering if it's going to completely collapse after the snapshot is taken, and other people are of the mindset that so many people are going to pile in to buy that it may just continue to move up from there. So let's go over a couple of different, theories that are circling out there so that you can get a better understanding of how to trade Terra Luna on May 27th. Theory number one, or scenario number one, okay? Let's assume that the majority of the holders right now, or a great deal of holders of Luna Terra, are going to sell off. They are only holding it so they can get the airdrop post-snapshot. If that's the case, we could see increased volatility on the day of people buying specifically, maybe moments before the snapshot is taken, and selling off moments later. What does that look like? We've already got an inflated price because there are some holders right now who only want to hold for the airdrop, and there will be added additional owners that come in and only want to own Terra Luna for the airdrop, and then afterwards a mass sell-off takes place because those that are holding that have no care or no reason to continue holding Terra Luna will already have the snapshot and be able to receive that airdrop. That's scenario one. It would go up in value and then drop drastically in value. Scenario two, we've got a load of holders coming in. Just everybody right now is willing to hold Terra Luna post snapshot, but we may have a bunch of people come in to buy specifically at the time of the snapshot. So they're on the blockchain and then afterwards sell off. That would be almost an equilibrium mindset. Okay, Terra Luna takes off and then comes right back down to where it took off from. So if you want to sleep, if you're not planning, if you're planning on holding Terra Luna long term anyway, it would basically go up in that situation and then come back down to break even. And the third and final one is that Terra Luna, okay, we've got the holders that are in here now, and we have a bunch of people buying in specifically for the airdrop, and all of a sudden, FOMO kicks in. We've got FOMO buyers jumping on. They've heard of Terra Luna. They're not paying attention to what's going on with this Luna crypto. They know nothing about this snapshot. They know nothing about this airdrop. They haven't been doing their research, but they know that Terra Luna is dangerous. They know that Terra Luna is volatile, and they know that Terra Luna could skyrocket in price. If they see Terra Luna jumping 50, 100, 200, 500%, they start to jump in. They don't want to miss the moon. They miss Shiba. They missed everything else. They're not going to miss Terra Luna. They jump in and they don't know what's going on, and they provide additional buying power up 1,000%, up 2,000%. Things are going wild, and then boom, cliff happens and the sell-off happens and they get stuck holding the bag. Now, listen, everybody has to do their own research, and they should do their research and know what the increase in price is, the reason in the first place. But in that case scenario, I do believe we would see a spike up, and then we would see a spike back down, but we would still have bag holders that leave the price inflated because they have no idea the 27th was a specific snapshot for the new Terra Luna airdrop. The good thing is, with all of these, I guess, scenarios playing out, it does look like we've got a very high probability of seeing a spike up followed by a spike down. So if you're looking for an increase in price to potentially happen, May 27th, around the time of the snapshot, could absolutely be that. I want to know what you guys think, though. Down in the comments below, will you be trading or will you be holding, or do you just want to see that airdrop? Where do you guys fall in that category? Let us know in the comments. If this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram, Webull, shibainu.crypto.com, a Voyager, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.